Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Mark II Audi TT 2-litre TDI S-Line. So this is finished in Condor Grey, which factory extra on these TTs. It's done 93,000 miles and it's got really good service history with it. There's receipts for cambelt, water pump, clutch and flywheel. It's just been in our workshop as well. We've just done quite a few bits on it as well to get it ready for sale. And as with all our cars, they're supplied with 12 months MOT and a warranty. It's got both sets of keys, all the owner's manuals and handbooks. And for the age of mileage, I think it's a very clean car. We always do viewing by appointment here, and that's just so people don't have a wasted trip or set off for a car that's already been sold. So if you've got any questions about the car, or if you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.